It's a way to send money to someone kahit wala siyang bank account. Mobile number lang ang kailangan. On this video, I showed you guys kung paano gamitin yung eGiveCash ni Security Bank. It's a way to send money to someone kahit wala siyang bank account. Mobile number lang ang kailangan. Ngayon, may bagong app si Security Bank. To know more about that, check this video. I'm gonna show you kung paano gamitin tong eGiveCash on their new app. Don't forget to watch till the end of the video kasi sasagutin ko yung iba yung questions from the previous video. I will show you kung paano mismo mag-send ng cash and mag-receive from the ATM. So there are two ways to send cash through Security Bank. Either sa mobile app nila or online banking. Here's how to do it sa mobile app. So make sure na meron na kayong account sa Security Bank and nakapag-register na kayo. You may download the app on the Google Play Store or the App Store. By the way, kung kaka-register nyo lang sa app, you need to wait 24 hours before kayo mag-transact because yung service will be temporarily unavailable dahil under cooldown period pa yung account. So, eto siya, yung parang may sparkle. Yan yung bagong icon ng app nila. Let's log in. And this is their dashboard. So, punta tayo sa eGiveCash. Send eGiveCash. Ngayon, pipiliin nyo kung anong account ang panggagalingan ng isasend nyong cash. So, let's click this and input the recipient's mobile number, name, email address, and nickname. For demonstration purposes, magsasend ako sa sarili ko. So, sarili kong number and sarili kong email yung pagsasendan ko. If we try to send 100 pesos, magkaka-error siya. And if magsasend tayo kunyari ng 20,000 pesos, mag-error din siya. So, 500 minimum and 10,000 maximum per transaction. Okay? Add notes if you want to and then click submit. As you can see here, walang fees na babayaran pag magsasend tayo. Total amounts 500 and transfer. So, let's input our PIN or Face ID. And ayan, eGiveCash request sent. Pwede nyo tignan yung details by swiping up here. Yan. So, current status is in progress. Let's go back. Makakatanggap yung receiver and ikaw na sender ng text message and email. So, ikaw as a sender, you'll receive this from Security Bank. You have a successful eGiveCash transaction request of 500 to the recipient with a reference number, blah, blah, blah. And then, yung receiver, makakatanggap din siya ng text message. The sender has sent you 500 pesos through Security Bank eGiveCash, and then you will receive an EGC number. Kailangan yung i-take note ito because you will need it to withdraw your cash from the ATM. And then, meron din matatanggap na passcode na isasend ni sender. So, itong passcode na to, ifo-forward mo dun sa receiver para maka-withdraw siya. Masasend din ito sa email. Ngayon, paano i-claim yung cash? Go to any Security Bank ATM that is eGiveCash enabled. So, hindi pwedeng any other ATM lang. To check the list of ATMs that are eGiveCash enabled, pwede nyo i-check tong link. As you can see here, nakalagay if eGiveCash enabled ba yung ATM or not. On the ATM, click nyo lang enter, select eGiveCash cash out. Input nyo yung 16-digit number na na-receive nyo, select yes, and then yung passcode na binigay ng sender. And there you go. Input nyo na yung amount, which is 500 pesos. Select yes. And automatically, mawi-withdraw nyo na siya. So, get your cash and receipt. As a sender, pag binuksan mo yung app and chinek mo yung status, claimed na yung sinend nyo. Now, paano kung nagkamali kayo ng number? Pwede nyo siyang i-cancel. So, let's try again. Kunyari, magsasend ulit tayo. Fill up all the details again. Mobile number, name, address, and everything. Same process earlier. So, transfer 500 pesos. Isasend ko ulit ito sa sarili ko for demonstration purposes. So, once nagawa ko na yan, makikita nyo dito na meron akong isa pang transaction. So, the first transaction was October 20 and ngayon, October 29, gumawa ulit tayo ng bago. So, it expires on November 12, 2024. So, that's 14 days after nung request to send the amount. If, kunyaring, hindi clean nung receiver, babalik sa account mo yung pinadala mo. Now, I'm going to show you pag ika-cancel. Click nyo lang yung transaction, swipe up to see more. Tapos, click nyo lang tong cancel eGiveCash. If ever hindi na-receive ng receiver or ng sender yung text message, pwede nyong i-click tong resend SMS. Cancel eGiveCash, yes, cancel. And there you go. Na-receive na natin yung cancellation request. So, pag pupunta kayo dito sa account transactions nyo, you'll see that merong online transfer na minus 500, which is, ito yung nagpadala tayo ng 500, pero kinancel natin, kaya bumalik yung 500 sa account ko. As you can see here din, nung October 20, meron akong minus 500 because ito yung pinadala ko before na kinash out ko sa ATM. Note that my monthly limit lang na 50,000 pesos ang pag-send sa isang mobile number. And again, 500 pesos ang minimum and 10,000 pesos ang maximum amount per transaction. Ngayon, what happens if hindi na-claim yung cash? A pending eGiveCash transaction is available for 14 calendar days. So, pag hindi claim ng pinagbigyan nyo, mababalik ito sa inyong account without any charges. If nagkamali kayo sa pag-send ng number, don't worry kasi pwede nyo naman i-cancel through the app. Another good thing dito is walang fees or charges from the sender or the receiver. Buon yung makukuha yung pera nyo. I hope you learned something from this video and nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!